Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I am going to be trying again to get the gold cells to pop up with the Descartes 24 karat gold. Now when I tried this before I did get some gold popping through, but mostly they were cracks and not actual cells. So we're going to try it again. Apparently this pour does work with any of the Descartes, Descartes Extreme Sheens. Apparently this does work with any Descartes Extreme Sheen paint. I'm going to be trying it with the Descartes 24 karat gold. So come along and let's see if I can get some pretty cells today. Come along, let's try. Okay, so what I've got here is a split cup. I've got my Descartes 24 karat gold. Into the split cup I'm going to put darker colors because I want the gold to shine through under the darker colors. And it's just a small canvas. I'm not going to fill this, it's going to be way too much paint, but I'm just going to put some darker colors in there. And the Descartes 24 karat gold, which I'm going to put on a puddle in the middle underneath. Right, so I'm going to put my gloves on and then we'll get started. Okay, so all I've done is in my little split cup, I've actually just got green, black, red, black. So mostly black. And what we're going to do, if you can see the canvas here, is I'm going to put a puddle of the gold in the middle of the canvas. Like that. I don't know how much to put. This is an experiment pour, so I really don't know. Maybe I can just tilt it a little bit. Maybe a little bit more, I think. Wow, this gold is so pretty. So pretty. Okay. The noise you can hear in the background is my little fan heater. It's a little bit chilly in the caravan this morning, so I've got my heater on. Right, can you see it? Let me bring you down a little closer. Okay. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this over. Okay, that's actually very pretty. Look at this. I can't get you closer, I'm afraid. Okay, right, the moment of truth. Let's tilt this and see what happens. So I'm just going to go sort of to the edges and back, to the edges and back, sort of like that. Okay, now let's take it over, 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 I hope you can see it, and over, and last side. and over. I don't see any gold. Oh, this is so annoying. The painting is very pretty though. Just covering the edges. No, it's not. It's not doing it. I mean, I have, again, tiny, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe 11 tiny little cells, but that's all. That's all I have. Okay. Okay. I'm going to do this again. I'm just going to move this out the way. Like that. And get rid of this. Yeah, I'm going to try this again, and I'm going to water my paints down a little. The paints that I pour over the top of the gold, I'm going to water that down a little. I will, let me just hit this with a heat gun. I see there's a couple bubbles. Okay, I will show you what this looks like after, because there are some cells and they are growing a little, so let's leave that to do whatever it wants to do, and I'm going to prep another canvas quick. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, I'm back. Pardon me. So I've just and the push pin fell out. Never mind, we'll just work without it. Okay, so next canvas. So I'm putting some gold down, and just by the way, while I was prepping the next canvas and watering down the paints, quite a few gold cells have now appeared on the other painting. So yay! But anyway, we're going to try it now with thinner paints and see if it, if it gives better results. Oops. Okay, right. I've just layered the colors into a cup. And like I said, I've watered them down. And now we're just going to add that to the top of that. It's quite a lot of paint on here. Okay, let's tilt this. I'm just tilting fast and just covering the canvas. Wow, that's pretty. Okay. This is now a problem without this push pin. If I can just do that. Okay. We just cover the edges. They look covered. Right. And I'm just going to hit this with a heat gun. And then I guess we just wait a couple moments to see if cells appear or not. Let's just Okay. Right, so let's leave this for a couple minutes, and then I will bring you back and show you what the two paintings look like. Okay, I'm back. So I did get some cells on the second one. There is some gold popping through, some very pretty ones. Lovely patterns and designs on this painting. I do like it. Very pretty. But amazingly, the thicker paint that we did first, are you ready for it? Hold on to your chairs. Look at that. Look at all the cells. Isn't that beautiful? They have popped up all over the place, and absolutely beautiful. This is what we were hoping to get, is those gold cells. Look at that. And this is the thicker paint. So, well, you know, I'm baffled now because when we did it the first time with the thicker paint, it didn't work. Maybe I just didn't put enough paint. I don't know, but it worked now. There it is. And this one with the thinner paints also worked. Not as well, not as many cells, but it still worked. I still got cells. Both very pretty paintings. I like them both. But I'm very happy with that. Happy that I got those gold cells finally to pop through properly the way they're supposed to. So there we go, everyone. Finally, gold cells. Yay! So that's it. I'm going to, well, it's Sunday, so, you know, normal Sunday chores. Wait for no one. So I guess I better go and do those. And I'll see you in the next video. Maybe on Wednesday, maybe on Saturday. I don't know. But yeah, I'll see you on the next video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. And support the channel. And yeah, every weekend I'm going to be posting two videos. And I do try and do a video on, say, a Wednesday. I don't know if I'm going to do one this Wednesday, because I think this Wednesday I'm just going to be mixing paints, which I need to do. So we'll see. So there we go, everyone. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.